Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making 1 pot chili pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of beef broth, 1 pound of the shell pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of heavy cream, 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese shredded, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 16-ounce cans of Bush's chili beans, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, that's optional, 1 small onion diced, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning. I have dried parsley flakes for garnish, that's optional, and also 6 garlic cloves minced. In a heated 5-quart pan, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion, and you want to saute that for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our red pepper flakes. That's optional. You want to go ahead and mix that together. Next, I'm going to add in my ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break it apart, and we're going to make sure it's mixed in well with our onion and garlic. Now we're going to add in the adobo all-purpose seasoning, our onion powder, ground black pepper, and also our garlic powder. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And you want to continue to cook your ground beef until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Once the grease is drained, just make a small spot in the middle of your ground beef, and we're going to add in our tomato paste. Now we're going to go ahead and mix everything until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, we're going to add in our 2 cans of our Bush's chili beans. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you can add in your beef broth. You want to go ahead and mix it, and you want to let it come to a simmer. While you're waiting for it to come to a simmer, you can go ahead and give it a taste. And if you need to adjust any of the seasonings, you can do it now. Now you want to go ahead and add in your shells. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix. And you want it to continue to cook for 10 to 12 minutes until your pasta is al dente. And you want to stir occasionally. Guys, if your sauce becomes too thick, you can go ahead and thin it out with a little bit more beef broth. Once your pasta is done cooking, you want to go ahead and add in your heavy cream, and we're also going to add in our cheese. You want to turn off the heat, and we're just going to mix everything together. You want to make sure your cheese is melted. Okay guys, so here we have it, our one pot chili pasta. You can go ahead and put a little bit of parsley flakes over top if you would like. Just adds a little color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?